The demand for high-quality, homemade baked goods is greater than ever. Consider starting a home-based bakery to share your sweet creations with the world. Transforming your love for baking into a thriving business requires careful planning and execution. Start by identifying your niche market and target audience. Understanding your target market will help you tailor your menu, pricing, and marketing efforts effectively. While you can certainly utilize your existing kitchen appliances, investing in professional-grade baking tools can significantly enhance your efficiency and the quality of your products. Marketing your home-based bakery is crucial for attracting customers and building a loyal following. Word-of-mouth marketing is also incredibly powerful, so encourage satisfied customers to spread the word about your delicious treats. By combining your culinary skills with smart business practices, you can turn your love for baking into a sweet and successful venture.